In this video, we are going to see how we can tag someone in our TikTok video after we have posted it. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just locate that specific video from the bottom right hand corner, switch to your profile. And once we are in the profile, we will open up the video that we want to edit or tag someone to. Just open that video and we click on the three dots next to it. And after that, we will see a couple of options down here. We will select this option right here, which says edit post. Click on that. And from here, if you have already made some editing, as you can see, no further edits can be made today. But if you haven't yet updated or edited in 180 days, you should be able to change that. So for that, let's post a drafted video. For example, I've posted this video and now it's posted. We click on the three dots. Let's click on edit post. So right now, as you can see that it says no further edits can be made today because I have already edited it once, but otherwise you should be able to edit it. Just add an @ after that, and then you can tag to someone by just writing their name, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.